5, 6, 7, 8.
Come and lay with me. Set your problems with me, baby. Save your conversation for the basement. I want you speaking in tongues. You know what they say about those. They come together, go together. You can't let them slip away. You can't let them slip away. Moving together, so unpredictable. But one thing I know for sure, you tell my 6's tonight. Frequently fly, we can't deny. Speeding tonight, I know I'm weeping when I look in your eyes and you're holding me tight. When I love you and you tell my 6's tonight. You tell my 6's tonight. I want you to hold me right with me. Such ambitions, maybe. Sometimes when it feels right, maybe it's alright. I want you speaking in tongues. Know what they say about those. They come together, go together. You can't let them slip away. You can't let them slip away. Moving together, so unpredictable. But one thing I know for sure, you tell my 6's tonight. Frequently fly, we can't deny. Speeding tonight, I know I'm weeping when I look in your eyes and you're holding me tight. You tell my 6's tonight. You tell my 6's tonight. You tell my 6's tonight. Frequently fly, we can't deny. Speeding tonight, I know I'm weeping when I look in your eyes and you're holding me tight. We're in love, you and I. You tell my 6's tonight.
This dance is 6's to 9's, choreographed by Scott Levins and Joe Thompson-Szymanski. It's a 32 count, 4-wall line dance. Section 1, starting with the right foot, jump out, out, slightly back with a body roll, out, out. Sit into left hip, raise right heel, right. Sailor step behind, quarter turn right, stepping left to side to face, 6 to right, diagonal, kick, 4, cross. Section 2, bend knees, slide to right. Keeping knees bent, make half turn left, slide to left. Cross rock, recarve aside. Turn to 130, walk forward, left, right, forward, mambo. Section 3, quarter turn right, side point. 3/8 turn left, stepping left forward to 12, hitching right, cross. Put right foot down smoothly from toe to heel, hold 1 count. Hitch left, cross, trip, pull. Make a quarter turn left to face 9, hitching right, cross, trip, pull. Last section. Step forward, pivot a half turn right, 3 boogie walks forward, left, right, left, forward, mambo, back, touch right behind, turn a half right. This is the end of the dance. My right toes pointing forward, weights on my left, I'm facing 9 o'clock, and I start over with the out, out, sit, sailor, step. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8. And that's a whole dance.